Talking about presentation, latest and greatest Rode XDM-100 USB Type-C microphone. Wow, check out that box. Okay, I can win something here. There's a huge QR code. Oh my god. There it is. Pause the video if you want to scan it. Woo. All right. Okay, there's the seal. Cut it. Wow. Take your audio to the next level. Step 1, plug in your microphone. Step 2, download Unify Rode-X.com Unify. Step 3, get connected. Join the Rode-X community, RedX. Wow. Regulatory and safety guide. All right. Ooh, nice. It's like a little Lego. Oh, wow. Okay. What else is there? Cable. Look at that cable. It's not the regular cable. Wow. You can screw this cable in. Well, that's a proper cable. Alright, what else do we have here? Okay, this is sealed. What is that? Oh, it is heavy. Oh, really, really heavy. Nice. And the mic itself. Ooh. Underneath we have a cable, USB Type-C cable, below. And the mic itself, let me just... Wow. Poison for the trolls. Wow, look how big it is. Oof. USB Type-C. Ooh, that feels solid. Big. Look at my hand. Whew, it's huge. Okay, we need to connect it. And damn, huge. We need to connect that device and see how what's the deal. What's the wow? It looks even bigger. Anyway, it's going to walk with a smartphone. I have a cable. Now you can hear built-in microphone for the Samsung Galaxy S21. Now this room has a lot of echoes like you can hear. Let me just connect it. We have a light. And this should be a way better sound now. What do you think? Let me know in the comment below. Now, to be serious, let's move to a proper studio. And this is how it sounds like. But in order to get the maximum performance, you have to download Unify Rode-X app. This app is not backward compatible with the old Rode microphones, like you can see. And the old app is not compatible with the new Rode microphone. So there's that. Now, you can download that app and use it without the mic. If you don't have a microphone, you still can use this app, but you have to pay a subscription fee. With the microphone, it's free. Now, this app will give you all kinds of outputs and inputs, like you can see on the Windows. Game output, music output, chat virtual. We are now in the system output and on the microphone, desktop microphone. There's also chat input, stream input, and stuff like that. Clicking on the microphone, we have a gain knob. We're on the 95%. We can lower it. It's way lower now, 20, 10. You can, of course, you can see it because I'm recording the screen too. 0, you won't be able to hear me. Now, for me, usable gain is from 28 all the way to 36. 36, it's quite loud, at least 20 when I'm 20 centimeters from the microphone, and I'm not even straight to a microphone, but on the side. Now let's go down to 30. This is a Yeti rack, which is terrible, squeaking. Oof. Now, and it's not strong enough for the heavy microphone. Maybe. Now the microphone is on the side and like 40 centimeters, maybe even 50. I think it's 50 to my mouth. And let's go high with the gain. 100% gain. It's still usable. With Shure, I have this small Shure. Check out my previous video with the Shure mic. Gain wasn't... There was enough gain to get enough loudness. My English still not that great. Let's hope you understand me. Now, this is still usable, and I like it. I love it. That Yeti stand is terrible. Anyway, let me just take the foam, and now popping like a Papa Smurf. Papa Smurf. Papa Smurf. Papa Smurf. Let me put it back. Sorry for the noises. Papa Smurf. Is still popping like a Papa Smurf? I don't think so. It is really good. Now, but that stand is not good. I have to change it for the original Rode. I think it will be way better. Now, without the compression, this is how it sounds like without the compression. Okay, let me turn off everything completely. Now, this is how it sounds like without anything. No compression, nothing. Okay, let's go back to regular stuff. If we go advanced, noise gate, and let me tell you, it is working flawlessly. That's for your headphones too. Compression, woo, really good. And exciter, my English is still not that great, so if I pronounce this wrong, sorry for that. So, a lot of option there. Now, there's also a recording function. We can record your stream, your voice, whatever you sing or whatever you do. And then if you hit it again, we can hear it. You don't hear it now because only I can hear it with my headphones. You can change that for... If I choose Denon, I think you will be able to hear it. Sampler, or you can just... But you will hear echo a little bit because it's... Sampler, or you can just record your audio. Settings, that's all. Now, of course, you can customize to Spotify, iTunes, all kinds of different sites. Of course, export it. Change the format, frequency. Okay, quality stay the same, 256. And loudness. And delete it, export, or change the color of your track. Now, there's also a custom sound sample. Surprise, motherfucker. Now you can add your favorite sound, whatever it is. That's pretty cool. What else do we have? Okay, I don't want to go too far with it because there's a lot of option here. All the main options I think we've seen. Also, I'm recording with multi-channel or stereo. Can change it. Latency, ultra low and low, close action, and stuff like that. Mute. You can listen. Okay. 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 There's also a button on the microphone which it will mute everything, and there's also a monitor knob which you won't be able to hear it because I can hear it, but it is working. Rather nice. The build quality is amazing. It's huge, strong. I love it. Looks like a tough microphone. It's huge, heavy. This stand barely make it. Even the cable, thick, flat cable, premium quality. Now, also nothing is loose. All those USB Type C and the jack tight, nice. Not like in a Rode. I'm sorry, not like in the Yeti Rode. What are you talking about? Not like in the Yeti USB, micro USB, which is everything is loose and it will get damaged really pretty fast. Now I will compare it to a Yeti, but in the next video. And you know what I think? Sound-wise, it is very, very warm. Some say it's muddy, maybe a little bit, but it's a podcaster. It's for the podcast. It's for talking. I don't think it's for singing. It's just for talking experience. For singing, I will use Shure. More for singing than for talking. And this is for talking. That's what I think. And for gaming experience, stuff like that. Warm, very pleased to hear sound. Of course, if you want a more option, Yeti has insane amount of option with the Logitech because it's powered by Logitech, and of course Logitech. Come on, that's the biggest. Is it the biggest company in the world with the gaming experience and stuff like that? Maybe it is. Maybe it is. I don't know. Let me know in the comment below. But sound-wise, I think it's the best, at least for my ears. What do you think? Let me know in the comment below. And I noticed that I'm talking too much. It's already 9 minutes just in the Windows. Sorry for that. It's supposed to be 3 or 2 minutes, not 9. See you next video. Bye.